Sir, we are taking a video to show you how your box was repaired and tested. So first of all, the cable is brand new, 15 plug, but 12 gauge cable, brand new. So secondly, we have a keypad, a CD, and some color light, and a multimeter hooked in, so we can test the control box. So here we turn on and we press start. So I set the temperature to be 26, and I will put my hand on the sensor. So here is the sensor. So when the temperature is, right now the heater is 121 volts. That means the heater is working. So when the temperature reaches 27, then the multimeter shows 0.777 volts, which means 0 volts on my other multimeter. That means the heater stopped working because it's the temperature is already 31 and we only set it to be 26. So now I lose the sensor. When the temperature drops to be 24 degrees Celsius, then it will start work. Meanwhile, let's test all of the light functions. So this is a color light, this is a roof lamp, this is adjusting color, it changes color, and then that's the reading lamp. So that's here. So I will turn off the color. So color lamp off, roof lamp off, and reading lamp off. And now we will turn on the CD to show you, because we are just waiting for the temperature to drop to 24, then the heater is turning on. That proves the whole box is working. By the way, this is the contact information and my address. So 5-year free replacement warranty, and that's my personal permanent cell phone, and warranty until December 2029. So it's already 27 degrees Celsius. We will wait until the heater cut on, then the video is done. And I don't have a speaker hooked on, but the CD is working, so speaker is working, and it's already 26. We can still turn on the light. So the sensor, I should put it, not put close to the light, so it cools down faster. That's a sensor, by the way. Yeah, so 24 degrees Celsius, and now the heater is on. So thank you for watching.